The complete 82-game NBA schedule just dropped, and these 3 games are going to break the internet. First, Giannis Antetokounmpo makes his Miami Heat debut on October 21st against Anthony Edwards and the Wolves. Next, we get a dramatic 2026 Finals rematch on Christmas Day when Victor Wembanyama's Spurs visit Jalen Brunson and the champion Knicks at MSG. And finally, LeBron James officially returns to Crypto.com Arena in a 76ers jersey on Christmas afternoon. Which game are you most hyped for? Drop your predictions below and hit subscribe.